Governor Dapo Abiodun, our president has given us the authority, the power to ask you what the governors are doing with our money, with your allocation. Sir, tell us what you are doing with the Ogun State allocation. No road is motorable in Ogun State. This is Itẹle, Lafenwa, Ayobo Axis Road. This road is so bad. This road is so terrible. The moment we see rain coming, we have to go and look for where to park our cars because this road is not motorable. I repair my car weekly, on a weekly basis. If it is not hand, it is leg. Sir, should I move my tax back to Lagos State where things are working, where I see value for my money? Sir, tell us what you are doing with the Ogun State allocation. There is no single road that is motorable that you will drive 10 minutes drive straight without you entering one pothole or the other. You will be coming from Lagos State, driving smoothly. The moment you are looking at Ogun State, sir, you can do better. Sir, you need to do better with your allocation. This road is terrible. This is a major road, a big road that leads to